this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create editable playful text in Adobe Illustrator. First, select the type tool and write anything. Select a bold, round font. This type of font gives a playful look. If you choose something like this with the sharp edges, then it won't work. I'll give you some links in the description for bold, round fonts. In Illustrator, you can change the font size or move it up, down or left, right with the regular type tool. But there is a much better way. You will see there are a few more type tools in Adobe Illustrator. But today we're gonna use the touch type tool. Let's select this one. The keyboard shortcut is Shift+T. With this tool, you can select each character and move it or rotate it however you want. As I mentioned earlier, we can do some of this with the regular type tool. Let's make a copy of this text by holding Alt or Option and dragging it up. We can also change the characters from the character panel. There are some useful keyboard shortcuts worth remembering. If we click between two characters and hold Alt or Option, then with the left or right arrow keys, we can make a space between them. This is called dekerning. If you select a character and hold Alt or Option, Shift, then you can move up or down with the up, down arrow keys. If you hold Ctrl or Command, Shift and press the less than or greater than keys, then you can make the characters bigger or smaller. Sadly, there isn't any way to rotate it. But with the touch type tool, we can do everything very easily. Let's delete the top text and select the touch type tool. With this, you can change the character however you want. Let's make something playful. This can also be done if we expand the text or create outlines, but if we do that, then the text won't be editable anymore. So always use the method that is non-destructive. If I now change the character, it will maintain the previous position. Everything is fully editable. One more thing you can do to make the text more playful is to add gradient. But if I try to add the gradient, it won't work. You can see the gradient is applied in the fill, but it's not showing in the text. There is a way to fix it. Open Appearance panel. You can find it from Window Appearance. Now add a new fill color. From here, select the gradient. Open the gradient panel and select any color you like. With the gradient tool, you can adjust the gradient. Also, if you want, you can select each character and add different color. And of course, you can add a stroke. So this is how you can easily create editable playful text in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for new tricks and tutorials every week. Check my Instagram account for new artworks, and you can ask me questions on comment section or in my Facebook page. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching.